What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Today we gonna be talking about this beauty right here, the 105 micro lens, and I got it here on the Nikon Z30. And since it's a crop sensor, it's gonna be about 157 focal length, I think, if my math is correct. But anyway, this is what we about to get into. So just to let you know, it's not always about the body, but it's always about that lens. Am I in focus? What's this thing? Okay, there we go. All right. That's what I should have did from the get-go. I done recorded this thing about 7 times, realizing that it was going in and out of focus. But anyway, we on the 105 macro lens. I apologize. Just to kind of give you some clips of showing you what video looked like with it. All right. We at 2.8 and we at the 105 focal length, but since it's on this Nikon Z30, it's this crop sensor. It's gonna be about 157, somewhere up in that range. All right, see if you can see any blur behind me or whatever. So we here in my hometown, Camden, South Carolina, the home of your boy here, Creative Days. All right, but anyway, we're gonna do some like street photography type stuff. We're gonna walk around and get some pictures. Something simple, just to kind of show the quality of the lens. And since I'm shooting it on the Nikon Z30, one of the cheaper cameras, it should prove that it's not about the body, but it's always about the lens. Man, let's go take some pictures. Let's get started. For sure gonna change that ISO and the color, the white balance. All right. Okay. Single. Let's see. Small. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go with f4. So go back some more.
All photos shot are JPEG. Just keep in mind that. Here we go.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna step back some more. I like this alleyway. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. All right. Let's see this wall right here. Let's see this focal length. I'm not gonna be able to get too much of it. I'm backing up. Make sure I don't fall. Dang, it's still. It's about as far as I'm gonna back up. Okay. Let's see. Let's go with 5.6. There we go. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yep, because I can't go back any further. Well, a little bit. Let's see. There we go. We got it all in frame. Close enough. All right. Let's see. It's a little too dark. And now let's get a little bit blur. Let's see. Man, look at that. Sorry if I had y'all a little crooked. Let's see. Right there. Go with f2.8. Yep. Let's see. Darken it up a little. Yeah. Get a little closer. And even with the movement. Let's see. A little closer right there. Bump the ISO up on that one. Ooh, that's a nice car over there. Ooh, that joker clean now. That look kinda good, y'all. Let's see. Can't see it. Oh, y'all look at here. There's my boy. There's my boy right there. Yeah, Florida man. Y'all ever in Camden, South Carolina? Come check my boy out. Oh, November the 11th. I should have this video posted before then, so y'all can check that out. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and get a picture of that. My boy, Florida man, where he at? There we go. Yeah, Florida man. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Well, this probably was a little longer than I expected it to be, but got me a shot. Yeah. Hold up, y'all. man. Dang. Okay. Yeah, all right, yeah, all right. But hope y'all enjoyed those shots. From the back of the camera, they look pretty decent, you know? Yeah. I think this little lens is a beast. It ain't the best. I'm not saying that at all. It's not the best. But it's in the runners. Alright. I'll let y'all later. Hey, I'm like 3 away from 200 subscribers. How about y'all do a brother a favor? There's 3 of y'all out there somewhere. Man, hit that subscribe button. Let's get a front view, a side view, front view. I'm gonna have to step back a little bit. Yeah, complete side with a little bit of the tree in it. Maybe. I can't get back far enough. Well, let's get the front end of it there. Right there.
You know I had to put an edit on it, right?